Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Muhammad Musbah Shaheen. Today I am going to give demonstration on wire bending of stainless steel SS wire. There are many types of wires which we are using in modern dentistry today. Before giving a demonstration on wire bending, I will discuss a classification of wires which we are using in modern dentistry. Wires are classified according to their material and their cross section. According to materials, there are gold arch wires, stainless steel arch wires, cobalt chromium arch wires, nickel titanium arch wires, copper titanium arch wires, and ceramic coated arch wires. And according to cross section area, there are rounded arch wires, rounded rectangular arch wires, rectangular arch wires, coaxial arch wires, and twisted arch wires. Our topic is wire bending of stainless steel wires. Steels are iron based alloys that contain less than 1.2% carbon. When 12 to 30% chromium is added to iron, the alloy is called as stainless steel. Stainless steel wires exist in three phases, which are ferrite. This phase is stable up to 912 degrees centigrade. Austenitic. This phase is stable between 912 degrees centigrade to 1394 degrees centigrade. Martensitic. There are different types of pliers which we are using for wire bending in modern dentistry. This is Adam plier. This is round nose plier. You can see the beak of the plier is like nose and rounded. This is spring forming or bulb beak plier. You can see there is one side of Adam plier and other side is of round nose plier. So this is why it is called bulb beak plier or spring forming plier. And this is wire cutter to cut the wire. Orthodontic pliers are made of stainless steel alloys. Stainless steel pliers are preferred over the stainless steel plated pliers. Carbide tips or tungsten carbide tips are preferred for cutting instruments. The beaks of pliers or that of a cutter should be close to one another without any space between when they are close. Here you can see there is no space when it is closed. Today I will give a demonstration on SS wire bending. This is SS wire of 0.7 mm diameter. There are few general principles of wire bending. All bends in orthodontic wires are placed by the fingers. Pliers are meant to hold the wire firmly and assist in wire bending. Always hold the plier using a palm grip like this. Before starting to bend the wire, establish a firm grip over the wire. In general, sharp bends should be avoided to prevent incorporation of stresses which can lead to the fracture of the wire later. Usually wires are supplied in rolls. All the wire bending has to be started on a straight wire. Before bending, we have to straight the wires like this. Grip the wire into Adam clamps firmly and straight it. The wire should be straight to make any bend. Now you can see the wire is almost straight. Now I will demonstrate how to make a right angle bend. Precise marking is necessary before making any bends. Mark the position where the bend should be made like this. Suppose I have to bend from this point, I will mark the wire on this point, then hold the wire firmly with the plier from this point with atom clamps. Push the wire close to the plier using the thumb and forefinger like this. Here you can see there is a right angle bend. It is easier to make a bend by pushing the wire rather than pulling the wire. Use proper beak of the plier to hold the wire before placing the bends. How to make a acute bend? Make a right angle bend as we have already done. Then withdraw the plier like this, slightly away from the mark, and close the angle like this. This is acute angle bend. Lesson 90. Now, how to make a short curve bend? Hold the wire firmly with the plier and make the bend with the finger like this. This is short curve bend using a round plier. Avoid any sharp angle. Here is a sharp angle. This should be avoided. Otherwise, the wire could be fractured from this point in future. How to make the circle or arc of a circle? They are made with the finger only like this. Just bend the wire with the help of your fingers like this. It's all about firm grip with your fingers. There is an arc or circle like this. Now I will give a demonstration how to make S alphabet. This is wire which I have already straightened. I will place the wire on this alphabet. This S is basically a mixture of short curved bands. I will mark a point with the help of pointer where I have to bend it. Then I will use this bird beak plier, and you can use also round nose tip plier. I will grip the wire from this marked point and give a bend here. Avoid sharp angles. I will place the wire on the alphabet to check the bend, it is okay or not. And then I will mark next position where to give next bend. Now I will mark next point. Hold the wire from this marked point and give a bend. Now I will mark next position. Now I will mark next position. After every step, put the wire on the alphabet and check the accuracy. Here you can see the upper half of the S is on the line, on the alphabet lines. Now I will mark the next position. Hold the wire from this point and give another bend downward. Next marking. Now I will place next mark. It is quite easy if your grip is firm. No, the S alphabet is almost completed. Now I will mark the end point and cut from this point. Cut the wire with the help of wire cutter from this point. Hold the both alphabet and extra wire, otherwise it can injure your eyes or something. some other part of your body because it is sharp. Now after this, check the sharp angles, and if there is any sharp angle, try to correct it with the help of round plier. This is your final alphabet. You can see there the wire bent which we have bent is just over the lines of S alphabet. There are few sharp angles, and please try to avoid these sharp angles. This is all from our 2-day practical demonstration.